Today's project is to create a melon arch over my garden tower. But first I need to move my garden tower over just a little bit. So I've pulled up the paving stones and I'm going to center it between those 4 posts because, as you can see, I've got a cattle panel. The cattle panel you'll have to get from a farm supply store or a hardware store, 4 3-foot tall steel T-posts, and some fencing wire. I'll include links for the materials in the description box below. I'm going to bend this over, and you can see it's already bent. We duct taped it to be able to haul it in the truck over here into a teardrop shape, but I'm going to undo that duct tape and create an arch over my tower to grow my watermelons, cantaloupe, and honeydew melons. Vertical space is being used, plus I should be able to put a little bit of a cover over the top of the arch if I wanted to protect the tower from hail. And then hopefully the fruit will hang down on the inside and protect it from hail as well. I've driven in the 4 fence posts, they're just short ones, and now I'm going to attach those on each side, over here and over here, to create that arch over the tower. And then I'll put the tower back in, get it leveled up. Okay, that project is done. So you can see where I put a planting space there, 2 posts, the arch, planting space there, and I repositioned my garden tower and leveled that site. I haven't filled my garden tower yet, but I will. It's still too early. It's only March 20th. I can't plant anything outside until May 15th to June 1st. So I've got plenty of time, but it's a beautiful weekend, so I thought I'd get this project done. Watch this video to see how I planned out all of my gardening spaces this year.